Sabra me no ka say ukuta car na sa Asante flag ebo ho ana Asante akade wo ho say ye wo trotro wo taxi ana say eye one kasa private car bi na adoko fa kumasi to bono kwan so a wo life ebusua e degem me no ka say there been several reports are currently the acid ne eno na ni enyan ama nkomo yi asase a atwi nitie se wodim na Asante flag ana otumfo stick aboka ho now the kofa eye bono a ebusua ense mebre ade betimi asi ye benya aboche ne abora report ayensa akamu which is credited to K1ng TV and also detailed by Asante for platform no. But before that, do not forget say same way shall say atwinity right after dormaahene shall say or comment ewo Asante flag nsense eno ana packet these issues ewo eyebono na saruta buokrom zongo hene obi adim buokrom bia odim say eba ye nuanom nodness na se before no a buokrom ye baby a say obi ye hene wo ho ana say nye onye hene keto akora ye ba kotie eye buokrom zongo hene also won sem bi catch na najma be based on some comment bi a o make ye I ewo the Bono Regional House of Chiefs regarding otumfo ne Asante flag ho sensema me no ka say e dey same way ebo ba me nkɔ ne nkɔti saruta e ba ya ka nyina ye de eno so ato awso
committee ho ye frame na na wo have musa buokrom zongo hina metoso mienu ye di koside ewo na wotwe atwa mu koside atwa mu ema IGP bae ema okura Asante flag want to ho ase mi pese mi bisa wo say koside no mudi no e Ghana koside ana se e Asante koside eye Asante fo ne diomo koside ena IGP ebe chia no ana obi hye mukina enam otumfo na dwuma pa wo ye ho eto de bia na Ghana ha ye din a eme se ya na wonte wo ase Asante de wo Ghana map ma Asante e wo mfimfi pe sebi tokwasi a ansa na ebedwe na koduru boda no na ye nti asem da na se asem fofo bi esi wo de wo ben boda nti utimi ka ne wo pe Asante wura otumfo onye okura nsem na wo ka no yensu no yesu wo se yesu adini bi efrim ho sebi wo ko school wo ye judge recently ankasa na ye promote wo sa your man hene na no ya man pusi focus on mokin omo hene empire wo so obi aka masem obi anka masem on na de no so ye empire ende bi hu so be ka masem na esa Asante ankasa no wo tu ani asi Asante so sisi ya wo de tension bokrum obi ye Asante ni kwa no doma wontimi ye japade ho obi ye domani no be so ye bibi wo Asante mama wontimi ye japade ho ye besew wonsam na wo ka no e ya na no odi sebi so ohene otumfo tena na himfie ne patuom no odi asem a ondi asem no wiem na wanya ho asem aka ena o video ye na mehu se wo ti patuom edi asem da mehu se kofini ama edna asem aba ho ama wakase bia wo yo himpon nti udi o masem da this will be etna na himfie na se ne patuom no odi asem dia ene dia na wo ba yi mu bi na de ye wo de no na waka ahindie ne yesa na ye no enye sa na ye no ye bo national anthem a otumfo okura Ghana flag osoligina edi buo ma Ghana okura Ghana flag na se odi no kwasi de na se IGP aboho na se IGP kura Asante flag a wosi won TV da na flag so so ye bi da de na mehu so ye bi but na nse ya Asante flag enam wi asi na mehu so ye bi unse enya adwempa na odi ye no odi no obi ehu anka adwempa na odi anka flag no obi ehu achimfo ma ye bi omode no asembie no no obi koma na flag so a osiboi wo de won TV da intebesre Ghana no yen nkwa na okasa yiti o enye nkwa na okasa wuti na se obi agi usika se aban sesa obepije wo hinde no ma sa akoda npako ka na enyiye so obi agi usika se aban sesa be promote wo hinde na ma na ekese a enyiye promotion e be mo no na da ma as judge no no so be judge promote judge na wo da be kan manfo so na da bi otumfo pro judge so ente na wo si ne bo e ka say on ka asem bi ama court bi ansa na because asem no beka no kre no beka on di nchia no inti se court so kan court so be di ne no konachi aka to so na wo ko to sampa kwa enka ho asem wiye otumfo ye di mediation abre otumfo say boko entokwa o si owi a o mo ne ntwe mienu wo so utimi masamodua edi na meso ma promise me mo ne ntwe mienu sɛ wotumi ma samodua abɛdane sampaman hena meso me ma onimfie mmienu ade ntrana otumfo kodi dogombofo asɛm a etodi de wa mema ne nantwie mmienu anase wa me promise na anase wa mbɔ na baso sebi mampusifo ne kosase wo monte sɛ sampofo yenim sɛ very soon o meto mo hase na de wo hwehwɛ no asabe wie wan kasa wo so ahinde na wodi no ɛya wo sɛ ohu sɛ nipa bi di wochi musa asma obeka yi ohini bia me soso so ama hini organi no bia meka bi ma fi sɛ de wo ka no eni bukum so woni mama mre na amane a won ka ne wo ka no wo sɛ tibitiri kura ko ka asma ma o ma be soso so da this o twitwi phone si wonim sɛ no ma be soso so enti ye ka kyerɛ Ghana no ye pasundwie ebono ene asante ntɔkɔ no mu ntɔm yɛ nuafo ade ntana obi ka sɛ so ayi ebuna hafo na oso manhia ne ntɔkɔ ada na watamfo amane na amamro aman ka so be interfere won sasese mu no otumfo no so ka sɛ ompene ade na wa meka ho asɛm aban edina no betu sasese mu otumfo ma no sɛ asase na nananom de ya nsase organ na nananom de nya aban de ya nananom de no mu yima aban de hospital market ene de wo ho no school na mo na yima aban but aban de ka so be hwehwemu na otumfo ka sɛ wompene no wa meka ho asɛm eche sɛ wo do be so dai bia so na nka sebi anu gwase ko otumfo but wo boa ama hina mo asante ba mo solinyina ntɔkɔ nye otumfo ntɔkɔ.
And samples of the detailing, no, so what kind example this reporter according to Asante for one more page, you know, more detailing the current situation see ya. And what you want to see Kumasi commercial drivers attacked and warned in Bono till ye what we get our Bono region for hanging Asante man flags in your car. So I will say some residents of Abesim in the Bono region, hold on, no, have reportedly attacked commercial drivers operating between Kumasi and Bono Ahafo, or a corridor in the Bono region for displaying Asante man flags on their vehicles. According to one of the affected drivers, till one of them, who was who spoke with Kesvin online, the incident occurred when they arrived at Abesim. He explained that some residents chased them. Issued even threat. And we see and telling one that they do not want to see any Asante man flags hanging in commercial vehicles within the Bono region. The driver described the situation as frightening. Or say the air caution drivers, almost complaining, said the air caution. In fact, almost describe it. Say, huma womo papa. Meaning, said the AC stretchy woman, Bono hono. And yet a year assembly to us. I say, noticing that the flags are symbols of cultural identity and unity and not provocation. How much I change the rabbit said that be. Oh, mama flags see a year. Idea a year, Jinaya dear Nasa so dear, and mamre any amania. And ye be said, what would the question if be before? And I said, be say, idea bomb car home. As said, your modern nama woman be every part of Ghana. And I'm sure so I have a crowd will be circulating everywhere you go. People normally do that. Sometimes where I need you before no, because of the love they have for a year or two for. Well, into you be a crowd and a bomb a year said the Asante 70 the love or woman a mamma money in teenager or DB add about no much said that be or mama the bomb home for culture and identity and unity and not to provoke anybody. They also since then have expressed concern over their safety and also called on regional authorities and security agencies to intervene and to prevent further attacks. However, this has happened before, which led to air vehicles from the area being banned from using the race course and at the Shaman stations in Kumasi. And I'm sure you remember, said BBC said you Esida, Asante region, BBC Bono was in relation to football and sending attacking some convoys. Be Asante Furniture said they be at the center of Ghana. Ubia Fahabi. This is a number of any Muslim stations say, well, the Shaman, any race course that they're doing that. They prevent drivers from loading or making business with air transport in a war Asante region. And we saw what happened. The government even intervened, intervening. We saw Nanajma be quiet on that matter. As I said, that was the only moment I moved Nanajma be can't say in fact, the silence no Emma man for feeling okay. Then on support to say peace and it's me rain. And no the man got to play a ya muko kumuno ni ajade ni hinsense. People didn't decide. They said, or taking any retaliation even on some of the football clubs I was in Komo Ba Asante region. And penny 14 I say can 7 man in Aqua die. Then I saw Shashi beam right after one video from Nanajima video. And Obi and I do munye dungwan the back has we a coincidence. We a coincidence. Hey, just less than 6 days after that video, and at the Shashi AC. And so that tells you say we a coincidence. But the saddest thing is that there are some videos on the internet of it I believe will be you know about for the one where chess or moody dormaahene. Especially bono for a woman who are to a woman said the BN was who said it and and vast with the and so ain't me ma. A bit more how much to bono said the binom say, oh, bra pepper be the bra bar. You won't go and attack a convoy. You won't go and attack people because of say na mamre na man near ye. She can even hope bonoa. Obenya bote PF ni fie di kotokura kogu obi so sabi omo a woman mobre ya o woman no be so dedicated ones some be civilized so they see these kind of things and they ask themselves adena mu go abonofo anymore asasa because imagine abonofo ni asante fo why pa na digwa wo bi kro ye nuano mo eye mfudie ni ade asante memu anom koton obekọ akra kumasi anu ofa obetu kwa efiri oman ni mu kumasi anu ofa and so even in terms of say they are very supportive to the Bono region. And so imagine say someone shall see claim mu kwan. No mo so shall see so mu claim mu kwan a. Mu betu afa wiem. Yeah, these things na nyansa bia enim. And you see, you better na na de bia ya ka de kre. And so actually nipa we any a wo sema currently bobo and so eba. Ana ani K1ng Ghana. Ye de aba be so mu ntize okuta ka. Now so do Asante man. Na ne wo de kofa Bono dia. This is the concerns are currently as I say ebo ba etuhu ema nipa be any din sem that whatever that happens ye be more than say ye de be ba be somo ai buokrom hene buokrom zongo hene ono so ne sem a wo de tudwa and also a lot of questions ema dormaahene and of which I believe so we'll take some of the questions questions and would the end of our we will answer for. You support the things a buokrom zongo hene kai, you can express your thoughts in the comment section. K1ng Ghana ni ara wosem free bono enso eba ti se ne Asante akade enu ka ho ne rew abo edudem ehunehuna atetew ewo bono K1ng Ghana ni akra
K1 boy juma we dey Jacob so now see commentary or social media no style of blogging fantastic. Send you see commentary, news in the bar. Send you see commentary for home. So good, keep on going.
And the Ostar also the Ebema other tribe a flow. Uni sorted. India terminate. That's how becano. It's so painful. I know shit. I don't know. Say commentary like or you as a presenter, sports presenter that they are. And maybe I will question free debate. It's all good. Where are they? K1 will try.